Jotelogo mago mabende siro duond bura mar Jubilee owuok oko kendo giseyo piny owacho mano mamalo ka giwacho ni pok jokanyono mabende nitiere piny owacho mamalo ochiko itgi ne moko kuom ywak mago mabende oganda jo Kenya nitiere godo. Ne giloso gi jofwamb weche kama bende giwacho ni migepe mago mopogore opogore pacho kayo kosebed ka itayo e yono makare. Bende ne giwacho kanyo ni ber ka jotelo mago mabende ne oyier e migepe mopogore opogore otiyo ne oganda jo Kenya moloyo siko ka gin giwegi gikwedore akweda.
Is entitled to na mzee amefanya kazi yake, amepumzika, ako pale huko Ichaweri anaendelea kuangalia mambo ya wajukuu wake. Sasa wewe kazi yako ni kila night you dream you having a nightmare. Unaita Uhuru Kenyatta, you are going to call your wife or your girlfriend Uhuru Kenyatta in the middle of the night. Let's be serious, people. I'm telling you, let's be serious, people. Kenya deserves better. We have been independent for the last 63 years. We are respected in the world and in the region. We're asking our leaders, we are better than that. Is why in Jubilee we are saying we are better than this. We would like to change this administration because Kenyans deserve better. Deserve better leadership. And what would we do so that I don't concentrate on negatives only? We would introduce transparency and management of the energy sector differently from what you see these days. We will not engage in conflict of interest. We will not lead a government where we ourselves are doing business in the oil sector. Because in doing that, because of conflict of interest, we will not be able to regulate and manage the sector effectively. We will give an opportunity to all about what we do and accountable about public affairs. If we spend money from the petroleum fund levy or the road maintenance levy, we will tell the public what we have done in that kind of way. And even if we don't tell the public for one reason or the other, we have parliament. Parliament is the representative of the people. Elected members of parliament ought to be told and ought to be explained to everything that is happening by government. Sasa, if they don't trust the rest of us, even with the so-called G2G, why don't they take it to parliament? Our representatives are in parliament. I will be very happy and satisfied myself if members of parliament were taken through all this and all this information was given to members of parliament. Sasa hii ukora unaendelea hapa ya kuibia nchi ndio imetuleta mahali tumefika. Na wananchi wakiuliza maswali ni kupiga nduru Uhuru Kenyatta. Sasa Uhuru Kenyatta ni chorus to explain everything including your incapacity to deal with things. Finally, the level of insecurity in this country is going out of hand. On this particular one, I am doing because I have an individual and personal responsibility as a former Minister of Interior. The level of insecurity in our country is going out of hand. In rural parts of this country, challenges like livestock theft and so on are on the rise. Homicide cases, cases of rape and the murder of women, femicide is becoming a crisis now in the country. You have noticed in the recent weeks what has happened. Young children raped, killed, and so on and so forth. Please,